From ancient times to modern days, flowers have woven themselves into the fabric of our cultures and lives. They symbolize love, hope, and renewal, speaking a silent language that transcends time and borders. In celebrations and in times of reflection, flowers remind us of the beauty and fragility of life. Today, they continue to inspire our art, our culture, and our everyday moments, connecting us all through their timeless beauty. As we move forward, let us remember that in every petal lies a story, and in every bloom, a promise of new beginnings.